Hello people, in this video I'm going to show solutions to question 16 up to 20. This is coming from the 2020 grade 9 math paper 1, which is an external paper, and previously we've worked on question 1 up to question 15 of this paper. So in this video we'll just look at 16 to 20. So question 16 reads, convert 23.5 to a number in base 2. So this question involves just two operations, that is division and multiplication. So for division, it will apply to the whole number part, which is 23. Then for multiplication, that will apply to the decimal part, which is 0.5. So we start with 23 division by 2. So 23 divided by 2, this gives 11, then remainder 1. Then we pick 11, so 11 divided by 2, this gives 5, remainder 1. We get 5 divided by 2, this gives 2, remainder 1. Then working with 2 divided by 2 gives 1, then remainder is 0. Then 1 divided by 2 gives 0, remainder 1. So now how do we get the answer here? We start from bottom, we focus on the remainders that we are getting. So this will give us 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So for 23 base 10, we are getting 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 in base 2. Then for the decimal part, which is 0.5, here we multiply by 2. So multiplying by 2 will give us 1.0. So 1 is the whole number part and 0 is the decimal part. So since we've gotten 0 as the decimal part, it means no further multiplication. So for our final answer, what we'll write is 23.5 base 10 is equal to 10111.1 base 2. So this here is our answer. Going to question 17, angles M and N are complementary. What is angle N if angle M is 22? So complementary angles add up to 90. So this means M plus N equal to 90 degrees. So now if M has been given, what is N? N is equal to 90, take away M. So we'll just subtract what is given on M from 90 to get N. And that is 90 take away 22 degrees. N is equal to 90 take away 22, that gives 68 if you work out the subtraction. So N is equal to 68. Question 18 reads, the diagram below shows part of a regular polygon whose interior angles are 150 degrees each. So that's the diagram. How many sides does this polygon have? So for this question, since we've been given interior angles, what we can do here is get an exterior angle. So what is the size of each exterior angle? So the simple formula is exterior angle plus interior angle. All this gives 180 degrees. So the two add up to 180. So now since we've been given the interior angle, so to find the exterior angle, we'll just subtract 180 minus the interior angle. So the exterior angle will equal to, what is 180 take away 150 degrees? So this will give us exterior angle as 30 degrees. So what do we do with this? So there's a simple formula to work out number of sides. So n is equal to 360 degrees divided by exterior angle, and so 360 degrees dividing the exterior angle that we got as 30 degrees, this is going to give us the following. So the zeros will simplify, and 3 into 3, that is 1, 3 into 6, that is 2. So this means that n is equal to 12 sides. So the number of sides is just equal to 12. Then simplify 3p to the power 4 times q to the power 5 over 18 q to the power 7. So what we can do here is just simplify what can simplify. So if you've seen, the numbers can simplify, and then also the letter q or the variable q will also simplify. So what is 3 into 3? That's 1, and 3 into 18, that's a 6. And then q, we've got q here which has power 5, and it can go into q with the power 7. So q to the power 5 into q to the power 5, that gives a 1, and q to the power 5 into q to the power 7 here, this gives q to the power 2. So then this means on top we just have 1 times p to the power 4 times 1, which gives p to the power 4 over 6q to the power 2. So 6q to the power 2. So this here is our answer. Then question 20, name one input device. So there are a lot of input devices that we have. So here we just have to write one, and I'll write keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. There's also a mouse, there's also a microphone, there are a lot. So what we just have to do is write one, and we'll get a mark for that. So then 20b, how many faces has a triangular pyramid? So a triangular pyramid has got 4 triangular faces, one which is on the base and the 3 on the sides. So the answer here is 4 faces. So that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more solutions.